Welcome to the VinascoFX. In this video you will learn how to open an account. The process of opening an VinascoFX account is simple. Visit the website VinascoForex.com, click on Sign Up in the Account section on the top right corner and redirect to the Create Account section. Enter your details required for registration manually. Enter sponsor referral if you have any. In case of no referral, use Vinasco. Enter your full name. Enter email address. Enter username. Your new password. Re-enter your password. Enter security PIN that you want to set. Type the same characters. Have a look at the VinascoFX terms and conditions and accept it. Then press Create Account. It will redirect it to the login page. Fill in your username and password. Type the same characters and click Login. Congratulations, you have successfully opened an VinascoFX account.
Thank you.